Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem if you are having the problem of Wi-Fi settings are missing in your Windows device. So I'm going to show you how to resolve this problem. So first of all, you just have to go to your start menu here. Then you have to go to the gear icon, that's settings here. Click on settings. After opening the settings, you have to go to the network and internet option. Click on network and internet. And in the left here you can see there's an option called airplane mode, so you have to click on airplane mode, and you can see the airplane mode is turned on here, so that's why the Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi settings are missing here. So you have to toggle that off here. So after toggling that off, you can see the Wi-Fi connection is on now. So there we can see the Wi-Fi is on here. Wi-Fi connection is on now. So that's how you resolve the Wi-Fi settings missing in Windows 10. Or you can just go to the Wi-Fi here, and if you have airplane mode option here, we can just click here, turn it on and turn it off like this, and Wi-Fi will automatically immediately turn on the Wi-Fi settings here. So that's it guys, this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.